Hey y'all, welcome back to the Shabby Shack. In this video, we're going to make microwave peanut butter brittle. And we're going to start out by dumping 1 cup of sugar into our bowl. And then we're going to put a 1/2 cup of light corn syrup into our bowl. Make sure you get it all scraped out of that cup. So once we've done that, we're going to dump 1 cup of roasted peanuts into our cup. And we're going to mix this up. Guys, once you get this mixed up as best as you can, you're going to pop this into the microwave and let it go for about 2.5 minutes. So once we've microwaved that, we're going to bring it out. Everything's melting. We're going to give it a good stir, and it's going to go back into the microwave for about 3 minutes. So here we go. It's back in the microwave, y'all. Okay, when it comes out this time, we're going to add a pat of butter, which is about a teaspoon of butter. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to get that in there, and we're going to mix it until our little pat of butter has melted. Once we've got that vanilla mixed in well and that butter, we're going to put this back in the microwave, y'all, and we're going to go for about 2 more minutes. All right, now that it's come out of the microwave, this is where the magic happens. We're dropping 1 teaspoon of baking soda into our mixture, and we're going to mix this up. And guys, this starts to harden really fast, so you've got to get this poured onto your lightly greased cookie sheet. And you want to try to spread this out. You don't get a lot of time to work with this. So if you can't spread it, just kind of shake that pan a little. You're going to let it sit and cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you can lift it up and break it apart. Guys, I hope y'all will try this recipe. And I hope that you enjoy it. And make sure that you come back to the Shabby Shack for more videos, y'all.